Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm super excited to be able to give you an exclusive sneak peek at Ringconn's all-new Gen 2 Smart Ring. Now if you've been following my channel, I reviewed the original Gen 1 version of this smart ring in a previous video. And just like its predecessor, this device is packed with innovative features that takes wearable technology even further. Now, Rinconn has listened to their customers and made some significant enhancements and improvements to this Gen 2 version of their smart ring. And in this video, we'll dive in and talk about what you can expect in this upcoming release, and also explore what makes this smart ring so special. Okay, so to kick things off, first things first, the packaging for the new Gen 2 ring features a sleek white box that enhances visibility and accessibility, and it also incorporates eco-friendly materials to make the unboxing experience much easier. It still comes packaged in a minimalistic box that contains everything securely packed. Now, inside the box, you will find the Ringconn Smart Ring 2, which looks very much like the first generation ring, but it actually does feel slightly lighter and is actually supposed to be a little bit smaller. You also do get the portable clamshell charging dock, which looks identical to the previous generation. In addition to that, you also do get your USB-C cable, which you connect to the charging dock to charge, and of course you do get a user manual. Now, the ring itself retains its lightweight and stylish look, and it really hasn't changed much on the outside, but on the inside, there are some significant changes, and it's still perfect for everyday wear. Now, from a design and build quality perspective, this ring is still ultra light and thin, and if it's anything like the Gen 1 version, it'll be very durable. In fact, this Ringconn Smart Ring 2 still has both an elegant and functional look, and is also still the world's thinnest smart ring with a minimum thickness of 2 millimeters and a weight of around 2 grams. Now, according to Ringconn, this Gen 2 ring is actually 12% smaller in width and has 23% reduction in thickness compared to the original Generation 1. Now, it's kind of hard to see with the naked eye, but if you look up close and put them right next to each other, you will see that this one is slightly thinner and slightly smaller than the original Ringconn 1. Now again, like the Gen 1 ring, the Gen 2 ring is made from high quality, lightweight titanium, which is super durable and resistant to scratches. The outer surface has a smooth finish and it comes in multiple sizes to ensure a perfect fit for everyone. Now as you'll notice, this time around Ringconn did send me the silver chrome ring, which I think looks fantastic. What I also like, and what I have tested thoroughly with this Gen 1 ring, is that the Gen 2 retains its IP68 water resistant rating, so you don't have to worry about taking it off when washing your hands, or even during a workout, and it can even function at depths of up to 100 meters underwater. Now, I've gone diving with this, and it works perfectly after coming out of the water. In addition to that, it also does support both iOS and Android, and the app still retains the same great look and the same great features. And then best of all, there is no subscription fees to use the app or any of the services. Now, because I am pre-recording this video for its launch, I still don't have any kind of pricing details yet, but starting August 1st, Ringconn will be running a crowdfunding campaign on Kickstarter, and customers can get early bird pricing from August 1st through September 14th. So make sure you do follow and check out Ringconn's website and social media channels, which I will have linked in the description section below. Okay, so we've talked about pretty much everything that's the same with the exception of the size and weight for this new Gen 2 ring. Now let's talk about the new features and the enhancements that are coming with the Gen 2 version of this smart ring. This Gen 2 ring also now has sleep apnea monitoring, making it the first smart ring to provide sleep apnea monitoring delivering up to 90.7% accuracy identifying OSA, which is obstruction sleep apnea. Now, Ringconn is, of course, actively pursuing FDA approval for this monitoring feature, so it's still in its infancy, but you can expect, and based on my test, it works great. Some of the new features are actually improvements on old features that the previous Ring had. And the first thing that I've got to talk about is, of course, the advanced health monitoring improvements. The Ring now offers enhancements in its continuous heart rate monitoring, its blood oxygen level tracking, and improved sleep analysis, which were all, of course, in the original Ring, but have made just even better in the new version. This new Ring also has an amazing enhanced battery life, with the new model boasting a longer battery life lasting up to 10 to 12 days on a single charge, with up to 150 plus days of use when paired with its portable charging case. This is actually 3 to 5 more days than the Gen 1 version of the Ring. And also remember, this Ring is thinner in size. In addition to that, menstruation cycle monitoring. If you are a female, it also does give you the option to track and predict your menstruation cycle, which I believe was also a feature in the original Ring, but I think it's had some enhancements since the previous version. And then what's great is you've got all kinds of data and analysis and even recommendations laid out throughout the entire app, which continuously tracks and stores this information as long as you're wearing the Ring. I also love that I can upload and sync the data from this Ring with my Apple Health app for an even more comprehensive view of my overall health using data across my different wearables. Now, I gotta say I've been using this Ring and the app for a long time now, and the health monitoring features are really impressive. The continuous heart rate monitor is accurate, and the new blood oxygen level tracker is a game changer, especially for those of you who want to keep a close eye on your health. I also like the improved sleep analysis, which provides you detailed insights into your sleep stages, which helps you understand your sleep patterns better and also helps you make informed decisions to improve your rest. Now, when it comes to the activity tracking, it's always been amazing. And of course, the past few weeks that I've had this Ring, I've got so much data at my fingertips along with recommendations on how to keep doing better. Now, whether you're walking, running, or doing a high intensity workout, this Ring has got you covered. It automatically recognizes different types of activities and it provides detailed metrics for each of those activities. The step count is accurate and the calorie burn estimation seems pretty spot on. It's like having a personal trainer with you always. Now, I did mention this previously, but I do think it's worth mentioning again. The enhanced battery life is amazing, and how they can fit more battery life into such a small device is impressive. With the first generation version of this Ring, I could go an entire week without needing to recharge. But with this new version, that is now double. And because the charging case itself is so small, I can even go on a long vacation and not have to even bring a charging cable. And then best of all, to charge the Ring itself, all you have to do is just place the Ring on the charging base and it juices up quickly. The magnetic interface on the charging dock also makes sure the Ring is securely and firmly connected to the base so that it doesn't even fall out. Now overall, the Rinconn Smart Ring 2 is a fantastic upgrade from its predecessor. It's got advanced health monitoring, which includes sleep, stress, BPM, and now sleep apnea monitoring. And it's also got accurate activity tracking. In addition to that, it's also got smart notifications when connected to your phone, and again, an amazing enhanced battery life that takes the Ring to the next level. And then all of that, and it continues to be a powerful tool packed into a very stylish accessory. Now, if you're looking for a wearable that seamlessly integrates into your daily life while providing valuable insights, this is definitely worth considering. Now, when I made my first video and reviewed the first generation of this Ring, I recommended the original version of this Ring, and with all the new enhancements, I highly recommend you check out and pick up one of Rinconn's all-new Gen 2 Smart Rings. Anyways, if you enjoyed this sneak peek, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Please also drop any questions or comments in the comments section below, because as usual, I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you own one of these rings, I'd love to hear your thoughts and experience for the rings that you own. Also, make sure you keep an eye out and follow Ringconn for more details on their upcoming Kickstarter. And then of course, make sure you ring that bell icon to get notified when I post new content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.